Today we got some boxes that we're gonna be unboxing. To see what is inside, follow me for the ride. Ooh, oh, that is terrible. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my June unboxing. It's going to be a little bit different. I already unboxed my BoxyCharm in a separate video, doing kind of like a try-on. So today we're going to be unboxing Ipsy, Birchbox, Facetory, and a brand new box that I've never unboxed on my channel before that I'm like really excited about. So if you guys want to see my June unboxings, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with Birchbox first. It's feeling a little bit on the lighter side today. Alright, so first thing in here is by Veil Beauty, Live Love Sun Makeup on the Go Mattifying Primer, SPF 50 Neutral. But what is it? Prime and protect and add a touch of matte coverage with this multitasker that can be worn under makeup or alone. Apply 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure. Okay, so I guess it has like some color to it. Okay, definitely doesn't have any coverage. It's kind of like, it feels very similar to the Benefit Professional primer. It has like that silicone-y feel to it. It feels really nice and my skin looks really soft. I just generally don't really like silicone-y things or mattifying products really because it just doesn't suit my skin tone. But I don't know, I guess it's a really cool idea. Next thing we have is from Philosophy. Oh wow, I haven't tried anything from Philosophy for years. I used to work at the Impulse Beauty in Macy's for like a year and we sold a bunch of different brands. Philosophy was like huge. So I haven't tried Philosophy since I've worked there and it's been like 100 million years. This is the Ultra Light Moisturizer with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural oils. Ooh, okay. I literally turned it over to the ingredients and the first word that actually just stood out to me was coffee. And that made me like really happy inside. So let me see what this little moisturizer looks like. Oh, it's so tiny. I actually think I've used this before, but again, like 100 years ago. I was looking at this on Sephora recently because I was very curious. So I'm actually really happy to have a little sample. We shall see how that goes. Yeah, the product from Oribe, whichever way. Haha, it rhymes. This is the Wave and Shine Spray. Oh my god, I'm horrible. I actually have two products from Oribe that I love. I have the dry texturizing spray and then one more that I cannot remember, but I actually got it in my Birchbox, which made me love it, so I went and bought the full size, which it's really not, it's not cheap. It's quite a pricey hair care product, but this is really cool. This is a Wave and Shine Spray. I'm definitely gonna try these out because I love their products and they smell really good. Oh yeah, has the same scent, love. Next up we have this little tube. It is all wrapped up and I cannot read anything on it. Let me look at my little paper. This is a glow serum. Highlight your favorite features with this pearly pink hydrating cream infused with nourishing apricot fruit extract. Applied to the high points of the face for a glowy boost. So it's a liquid highlighter. Did I say the brand's name? Botanic Beauty. I actually might keep this wrapped up because I might give it to somebody because I don't really use liquid highlighters very often and I don't want to like waste it. I feel like somebody else might enjoy this, so I'll keep it like wrapped up in pristine condition. Last thing in the box I actually barely saw because it's so tiny, like camouflage into the box. This is the Model Co More Brows Medium Dark. Ooh, this might be a little bit too dark for me right now, but let's open this up. Oh gosh. This is always really difficult to do with nails. I mean, I'm sure I can make the color work. It is on the darker side, but that's actually really cool. It has like fibers in it. I like that actually. I just started using the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel, which is very similar to this. So yeah, I'll definitely give this a try if it's not too dark for my brows. Oh wow, that dries down really quickly. I tried to rub it and it's like on there. Wow. Okay, so that was everything in my Birchbox. Honestly, nothing too exciting. I'll test out this Philosophy lotion, but I think the only product I'm kind of like excited about is the Oribe Wave and Shine Spray because I really like this line of hair products. But other than that, everything else is kind of just, I feel like I won't really reach for it or use. Moving on. Next up we have June's Ipsy bag, and this is what the bag looks like. Actually, I really like it. Very calming colors. This actually came with the first product separately because it doesn't fit in the bag. They are some sheet masks, which I'm always a fan of. There are 2 of them. I believe they're the same. Unicorn Glow, paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMOs with natural extracts by BioBell. Ooh, with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. That makes me hungry. Also, the picture on it, I have a sweet tooth and I haven't had sugar for like 2 months, so I'm really happy about these. Let's see what's inside the actual bag. We have a little postcard here celebrating Pride Month, which is awesome. First thing in here I see is a Lexi brush, which you guys should know by now that I actually really love. It's kind of like a flat, thin shader brush. This would be perfect for laying down concealer to cut your crease with, or applying a brow bone highlight, maybe like highlighting your nose, smaller areas, but I can find a lot of uses for this. I really like that. Next thing we have in here is from Makeup Forever. This is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Hydrating Base. I actually have a full-size version of this. Really like these primers a lot. I really feel like this is like empty. Is there actually anything in here? We have the Pixie Beauty Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I also have this. I've used this. It's a really, really nice toner. Cute little travel size here. This would probably last you a while too. I know it looks small, but you don't need a lot of this, but that's really cool. And I think there's like one more thing left in here. That seemed really quick. This is the Pretty Woman nail polish. Oh, I do love nail polishes. This is in the shade Vacay. I'm gonna assume that this is a blue shade. Nope, I'm very off. It's kind of like a peachy, nudie shade. I actually really like this a lot. I love shades like this, like very natural colors. This nail polish is 10-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, petrochemical-free, GMO-free, triglycerin-free, and it's vegan. Fantastic. Okay, that was everything in my Ipsy bag. Honestly, not as disappointing as Birchbox. There's a lot of things in here that I'm actually going to use. The brush, the sheet masks, this nail polish is absolutely beautiful. The primer and this tonic I have tried out before, but you know what? Not too bad. Now we're gonna move on to Facetory, which is a monthly subscription box for sheet masks. So if you're a sheet mask fan, I would highly recommend this. It's always really fun to get the different sheet masks. It looks like this one is kind of like a collab with Bustle. It says Facetory times Bustle. So I'm wondering if this is a special box or... Hey there, we're so excited to announce our Bustle Am I saying that right? Bustle. And Facetory collab. We made sure to include the editor's favorite sheet masks, and we can't wait for you to try them all. Me too. We got a pink sheet mask burrito today. As usual, we got the little postcard in here that tells you about all the sheet masks, what's in it, why it's in it, what it's gonna do for you, which is really nice to read. I actually really love these a lot. They're super helpful. We got our masks. Let's start with the first one. I love me some hollow. This is from the brand Osikwe. Okay, dual bubble tok mask. Okay, 10 minutes wash off type. So I guess you wash off like the serum it leaves on after. Never really heard of that, but that's what I love this packaging. This next one is from Bono, not the guy from U2, and not Baño because that's bathroom in Spanish. Whichever one it is. Baby face injection mask. This is gonna give you some smooth and plump baby soft skin. This next mask has a little sleeve on it. Okay, when 10 o'clock p.m. Are you telling me when I should put this mask on? 10 o'clock exactly on the nose? When your skin feels tired, find comfort with when 10 o'clock p.m. Oh, this packaging is so freaking adorable. This is the Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. It's a pink mask and it has heart cutouts for the eyes. Oh my god, I die. Ooh, this little heart has something inside as well. Alright, this is gonna be really fun to use. This one's making me thirsty. This is the Leaders in Solution Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask with pineapple and coconut. Skin safety tested coconut gel mask. You guys, I love pina coladas like so much. Like even when I was a kid, of course, like I would get them virgin, but that was like my thing. I loved it, especially when I would go to Vegas. My mom and dad would get me one to drink by the pool and feel all cool. I love pina coladas so much. Wow, it's been a while. Next up, we have the Meg 2-Step Jelly Mask, soothing and brightening. Very simple, clean, aesthetically pleasing packaging. Lastly, we have the No HJ Modeling Mask Serum. I'm gonna try to say this. Chrysanthemum. Yeah, All I know is that's a flower and I hope I said it right. It's got gold extract in it. Super bougie. I feel like I've gotten a few masks from this brand before. Like they have like a bunch of different kinds because I recognize this packaging. But that is all the masks. Okay guys, so the very last box I'm going to share with you guys, I'm so excited about. My really good friend Ella. She has an online shop called SingleMomMafia, and recently she came up with her own idea to do a monthly subscription box for sunglasses. Each month you get 2 pairs of sunglasses that are going to suit your face shape and look bomb on you. I'm really excited for this. She gave me 2 boxes to share with you guys so you guys can see the different types of sunglass styles that you may get. This is what the box looks like. I love the design. I think it's so cute. She is obsessed with the color teal, so she definitely had to like incorporate that in the design. We got a little postcard inside, and she's actually provided me with a code to give you guys for 10% off. So if you guys are interested, you guys can use Jesi10 at checkout to save 10% on your box. Here's our first box. You're gonna get your 2 pairs of sunglasses. I am gonna try them on and model them for you guys. So this is the very first pair. I really like these a lot. These are the type of sunglasses I would wear on vacation with a big hat. I want to feel like incognito. I'm like famous or like somebody important or something. But they're really classic pairs. Like I don't want to blend you guys with my ring light, but they actually have a tortoise shell here, so I think that's a really pretty touch. They're big, but not like too big, and I feel very fabulous in them. I really like these a lot. This next one is a pair of gold aviators, but the actual lens kind of has like this pink shift to it. It's like really interesting, like a green to pink shift. I think that's really pretty. You can't go wrong with aviators. I mean, come on, these are fabulous. Here we have another pair of sunglasses. These ones are also like really funky and really cool. White t-shirt, jeans, black boots, like ooh, I'm into this. This last pair is my favorite because these are so freaking fun. Look at these. They're so cute. I mean, tell me these are not freaking adorable. Like, I love this. It's like very 90s. Kind of has like that old school look to it, but they're super fun. Like, I just want to lay by the pool with these glasses and just, you know what I mean? That was my last box. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I really want to start doing a lot of different types of unboxing videos as well because it's like really fun for me as well. I love unboxing. It's just like Christmas time. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, JesiJed, but Instagram and Instagram stories is really where it's at these days. Makeup by Jesi. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. I'd appreciate it so very much. And also hit that little bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. Woo! With all that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!